Alright, we have here an Athena 2000, the Singer Athena 2000 and 1200, and several other machines have self-winding bobbins that look very similar to the last set. They're the intermediary design. Make sure you have the correct bobbin, because this bobbin case was used for both the Athena and the Centaur system. And you can make a Centaur bobbin fit, but it won't work properly. So make sure you're using correct Athena bobbins. To thread the machine, we've got a spool pin on the back. There's a thread guide stand. And then there's a guide on the back of the machine with a hook. You go under the hook, and then it has to come over. There's a little tension guide kind of thing. Comes over the top of that, and then it goes down in the tensioner. This does support twin needle sewing, so it's got a left and right side for the tensioner. Goes down under this hook and then into the take-up arm. And then when you go to this guide, it'll pop right in behind the cover here. There's a thread guide on the needle bar clamp, and then the machine threads from the front to the rear. It winds bobbins just like the Fashion Touch 1036, the Athenas, Futuras use the Athena bobbins. So you insert the bobbin. This winding lever has 3 positions. This is the regular position that it takes when you slide the door closed. For winding, you pull your bobbin door open and then shift it all the way over, and that will lift the drive peg. And when you rotate the machine, it will turn the bobbin for winding. When you wind, you want to use the straight stitch setting. Have the foot up, wrap the tail around the screw, and then as you rotate the machine, it'll grab the thread, rotate it around, lift it into the cut, and then start winding. And then when you're ready to sew, when you close the... I already have a bobbin loaded for this machine. When you close the door, it'll shift out of bobbin winding mode, and then you can pull both of your tails out